All right, welcome to this week. We're going to do a lab on, I'm actually going to code it in Xcode, and if Eclipse doesn't compile through the class, we'll actually do it this way. So we'll do create new project, command line, C, I'll call it flights. This will be what we'll do in class, .c, sure. All right, so now I'll come to main. I'm going to actually wipe out some of this stuff here. Actually, I'm going to wipe out all this. Let's see here. All right, so I need to define some stuff here. So I'm going to do define hours per half day is 12. I'm going to define minutes per hour, which is 60, and define minutes per half day, which will be a variable called hours per half day times minutes per hour. All right, sure this is recording. All right, cool. All right, so now let's see here. We need to define size. Oops. Define size. So I wanted to use this over Eclipse because it's a lot easier, but not everybody could use this if you don't have a Mac. We're going to do flights, and we're going to put parentheses, and we're going to actually make a space here, divided by size of flights, and we're going to put a bracket in here so we get a number value. So we have flights 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, so now let's see what else we need to do here. Okay, now we'll set up our structure. So set up our structure. So we'll have struct. You see how that's nice? It just pulls everything up. Flight. Oops. And we will put int departure and arrival. So we'll describe two variables in our structure. Now we'll say void, which will be our put time. This will be our what do you call it? Our function. Let's see here. We have void put time. All right. So now we start at int main void. All right. So now we're gonna do more programming here. All right. So we're gonna do struct for our structure. I'm gonna say flights equals, and then we're gonna start it here. Now we're gonna put some variables in here that we're gonna use, some values. I mean, so we'll put 480, just to make up some numbers here. So they'll repeat the same numbers. As you see here, we're putting them in brackets, and then we're comma and putting other values. So 583, comma 712, then 679, 811, comma, then we'll do 767, comma 900, comma 840. Just making some stuff up there. You guys can put different numbers in there. You don't have to put the numbers I'm putting in. I'm just making stuff up. 968, 945, 1075, 1140, 1280. Let's see, 1305, 1438. All right, I think oops, I messed that up there. All right, and now we have this guy here. We have to end it. All right, what did I do wrong? All right, so I have the beginning of it right here. Maybe I have more commas than I need. Let's see here. I have 480 comma 616. We have a bracket. Oh, okay, see right here I have a bracket instead of a brace. Very easy to F it up. What's it say here? Unused, okay, I ain't worried about that. Alright, so I'll end it there, finally. I'm going to move this guy over a little bit and come down here. And let's see here, I'm going to do int hours, minutes, time, and closet. I'm going to do printf, enter a 24-hour time. Close it. Scanf, percentage d colon percentage d. We have our, we'll do comma, we'll do at hours, comma, ampersand, I said at, I meant ampersand minutes, comma. Alright, now we're going to see time equals hours times minutes per hour plus minutes. Alright, now conditional statements. Alright, now we're going to say if time is less than or equal to flights, 0 in the middle there, grab our value, dot departure. Alright, so we're going to hit. So now we're just sending it, giving this value right here, closet, a value of 0. Close it. And then we're going to say else if the time is greater than the flights. In brackets, we're going to say size. We're going to -1. Then we're going to do dot departure. Okay, so we do dot departure. And then we come down here and we say, hey, closet. Oops, if I spell right. Closet equals 0. No, that's all. Equals size -1. And now we do another else. And this else we're going to say, we're going to set closet at 0. Alright, we set it 0. And then we're going to say while. We're going to put a while loop in there and say while time is greater than flights. In our bracket, we're going to say closet +1. And then we're going to use that departure again. Now we have to iterate closet and do ++. And we need to put an if condition down here. See, a lot of this is just telling it how you want it to work, basically. So now we're going to say, hey, if the closet, and you don't have to program it this way. You can program it any way you want to, but this is a way that might be helpful for you to learn. Dot departure minus time less than time minus flights, closet again, departure, not departure, and then we do closet, and we do ++. And alright, so I must have messed something up here. Lights, good. Alright, good. So now, and now I want to make sure I'm saving this, so I'll lose it. Alright, now we need to do some print statements. We'll do printf, closet, departure, time is, and then we do a space here. And then we'll do put, we'll call our put time, and we'll send a variable. We'll say flights, we'll say closet, where's that right there, dot arrival. We'll close it. Alright, so I think I got that wrong. Oh, I did one. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's copy this. So we'll do that, and it should be departure. All right. So we do departure, and then we do a printf and say printf. We say arriving at something. Okay, and then we do the arrival, which we have right now. We do that ahead of time. Then we'll do the same thing. We'll do printf, new line. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's what we need. And then we'll return it. All right, almost done. I promise. All right, so now let's see here. Okay, so at the end here, I think this is what we need. Void. Yeah, we need to put, because we never put time, int time. So now we're setting up our function. And our function will say int hour equals time divided minutes per hour. Hopefully this can be seen. I have to minimize this a little bit so I can move this up so that we can see all the screen. All right, minutes per hour. And we'll say, hey, if hour equals 0, hour equals hours per half day. Close it. Let's see here. If hour equals hours per half day. All right, and then we'll say else if hour is greater than hours per half day. So we come down here and say hour minus equals hours per half day. Okay. And then we'll do a printf. And we'll say percentage d colon percentage dot 2d hour time percentage minutes per hour. A lot of calculation stuff going on here. If time is less than minutes per half day, we'll do printf. This is a big program. .m am. Let's see, else. Printf p.m. And that's it. Let's see if this bad boy works. All right, so you succeeded on the first time. Enter 24-hour time. All right, closest departure is 8 a.m., arriving at 10:16, 0. All that to do that. So we'll kind of scroll up it a little bit, let you see it again. All right, thank you for listening.